I will discuss about mushroom production. Two lessons are included regarding mushroom production, lesson 3 and lesson 4. At first, lesson 3, importance of mushroom cultivation. This is the picture of mushroom. You can see, and I think many of you have eaten this food. At first, what is mushroom? Can you say what type of organism? Is
The
it a plant
fungi,
or animal or
the
some
fungi,
other type
sir.
of organism? It is one kind of fungus, fungi.
Yes, sir.
Singular number is fungus and plural number is fungi. A kind of saprophytic fungi. Saprophytic means the organism that can uptake their
Not
food
pretty,
from dead body. Not
sir. Kind of
they live
parasitic.
in parasite live in uh, animal or plant body, living organism. They are parasite. Parasite live on or feed on other living organism. But saprophyte live on dead organism or dead body of uh, plant or animal. Understand? This is saprophyte. This is look like umbrella of toad. That means swamp fungi. This is edible. Edible means it can be eaten. Nutritious, tasty, and have medicinal qualities. They have three qualities: nutritional qualities, tasty is also tasty, and have medicinal qualities. Most often we confused mushroom with swamp fungi. So how it is different from swamp fungi? You can see two figures. One is at the left side. It is mushroom kept in a plate or pot, and another it is naturally grown on a marshy or swampland, swamp places or damp place. Mushroom is edible, swamp fungi is not edible. Mushroom is nutritious, swamp fungi is toxic. There is a record that some people have eaten swamp fungi and died. There are some records. Uh, and mushroom is cultivated. Swamp fungi grow naturally in moist place. These are the basic differences. At first, importance of mushroom. The main focus of this lesson is importance. First of all, tasty food. We will discuss the importance under some heads. Tasty food, nutritious value, medicinal value. As a vegetable, no need of land to cultivate, need less time to produce, and economic importance. At first, tasty food. You can see some foods that are tasty, and we can understand how tasty it is by their appearance. Different types of foods can be prepared using mushroom, soup, noodles, with pulao, curry, with pizza, etc. Nutritious value of mushroom. At first, food is discussed. Now, nutritious value. Mushroom contains 25 to 35% of protein. This is a high percentage of protein. Carbohydrate and fiber is 40 to 50%. Fat 4 to 6%. Vitamin and minerals 10 to 15%. Contains all the essential 9 amino acids. We know that Protein contains amino acid, and in human body there are 9 amino acid are required for human metabolism. These all amino acid are not produced in our body, and it is to be taken from food. So all 9 amino acid is present in mushroom. So it is a very important nutritional quality of mushroom. Contains vitamin B1. The another name is thiamine. Vitamin B1 is thiamine. Vitamin B2 is riboflavin. Niacin, it is vitamin B5. Minerals such as phosphorus, iron, calcium, copper, etc. Medicinal value. Mushroom reduces the danger of high blood pressure, heart diseases, obesity. Do not contain any harmful fat. That means LDL or triglyceride. Those are harmful fat. LDL means low density lipoprotein. TG means triglyceride. The fats of mushroom helps in increasing the activities of calcium and phosphorus in developing bones and teeth. Some fats are very much um, uh, beneficial for human body, such as omega-3 fatty acid. This fat uh, increases the activities of calcium and phosphorus absorption, and this calcium and phosphorus helps in developing bones and teeth in our body. Mushroom carbohydrate contains so many types of chemical elements which work for remedy for complex diseases. Some carbohydrate is available in mushroom, and it works for remedy for some complex diseases. So far it is described in your book. Then another importance is no need of land to cultivate. In any kind of food, if we want to cultivate any kind of food or crop, we must need land. But mushroom needs no land, because we can cultivate it in our uh, house using such type of rake. That is indoor cultivation. It can be cultivated indoor. So no external soil or land is required. So this is one kind of benefit. Need less time to produce. Less time means how many times to uh, produce mushroom. If we cultivate any kind of vegetable, it requires at least 3 months. Any crop, 2 to 3 months is required, but only 7 days. Only in a week we can produce mushroom. This is called spawn packet of mushroom. This packet is available in the market, and anyone, if you want to cultivate it, you must purchase a packet and then uh, follow some procedure. It may be grown in only 7 to 10 days duration basis. Economic importance of mushroom. Mushroom has a great demand in the market, and with a higher price. Anyone can cultivate mushroom in his house within 7 days, and they can sell it to the market and get a economical benefit. And some unemployed people can produce mushroom, and they can solve their unemployment problem. They can earn some money. Mushroom cultivation is commercially very profitable. It helps to solve unemployment problem. This is all about lesson 3, importance. Now another lesson, cultivation method of mushroom. In this lesson, we will discuss about the total procedure of mushroom cultivation. Types and species of mushroom. Summer seasonal mushroom, milky. This is white color, milky white. It is also called milky white, reishi, and straw mushroom. Winter seasonal is shiitake, baton,
Allah.
shimaji, and enoki.
Turn the mic
Year-round oyster
off.
mushroom. Species milky white mushroom, looks like very white. Button mushroom, this is look like button of coat or blazer. Oyster mushroom, it is not so hard, very soft. Oyster mushroom can be cultivated around the year. Cultivation method of oyster mushroom, it is discussed in your textbook. At first, preparing spawn or mushroom seed. One have to at first collect or prepare mushroom seed. This is called spawn. Preparing culture house. Then in that house we can produce mushroom is called culture house. Collection of spawn. Then we can collect spawn. Cutting the packet. We will discuss about cutting packet after care, other cares, mushroom harvest and preservation, etc. Preparing spawn or mushroom seed. Mushroom, as it is a fungus, so it reproduces by means of spore. This spore is naturally grown in fruiting bodies, but in our country, as it is cultivated, so by means of tissue culture, uh, seeds or spore is produced, and it is called a packet uh, spore containing some growing media, that means peat soil or sawdust or some media is used in which spore is spread. So this packet is called spawn, commercial spawn. Mushroom seeds are produced in the laboratory through tissue culture method. Packaged seed is available in the market, which are known as commercial spawn. Farmers themselves may also produce spawn locally using the straw method from mother spawn. If any farmer want to produce spawn, they must have mother spawn. Preparing the culture house. Sufficient number of windows should be kept in the mushroom culture room for air and oxygen movement, so that air movement, or that means ventilation system, well ventilation system should be ensured. There should be shadow light in the house, not very shiny room, shadowed light. One can read a newspaper without uh, any electricity or bulb. This kind of diffuse light, shadowed light. Temperature requirement is 20 to 30 degrees Celsius for only oyster mushroom. The relative humidity 70 to 80%. Due to respiration of microorganism, mushroom is a microorganism. Carbon dioxide gas accumulates at the lower layer of the house. This is not autotrophic. That means it cannot produce their food by using sunlight. That means no photosynthesis occurred in their body. So they do not uh, release oxygen. We know that green plant release oxygen by means of photosynthesis, but for their living or survival, the process respiration occurs. So through respiration it produces carbon dioxide, and we know that carbon dioxide is heavier than other gases, so it accumulates at the lower layer of the house. For this reason, the lower part of the wall should be kept open so that we can remove this excess carbon dioxide. This is a sample of culture house of mushroom. Shelf or rack is set in the room, and the spawn packet is kept on the shelf. Collection of spawn. This is the spawn packet we have seen earlier. It should be collected from reliable sources, such as in our country. There is a mushroom culture center in Savar, next to Dhaka, and in Dhaka city, some places we can find it, such as a nursery in the at the Asad Gate, government nursery, horticultural nursery in the Asad Gate. We can collect spawn from there. Spawn seed prepared in polypack system should be collected from reliable farms. The main characteristics of a good spawn that it will be white and the packet is uniformly and fully filled with fungal mycelium. Mycelium means the fungal body is called mycelium. Understand? Fungal body is called mycelium. So the development of mycelium, and as it is white, so you can easily understand that by seeing that there is a lot of white fungal mycelium around the packet. Cutting the packet, as it is a polypack, the two neck side or shoulder side is to be cut of an area 2 inches by 1 inches. An area of 2 inches by 1 inch is cut at the shoulder of the packet. The white portion of the cut area is scratched with a blade. The packet is soaked in water for 5 to 15 minutes, so that through the cut area, water entered into the packet. Draining out of the water, and the packet is placed on the floor or rack in lines for culture. After draining out the water from the packet, this is placed on the floor or rack or shelf. After care, placing the packet at a distance of 2 inches on the floor or rack in lines. Then spraying of water. We can see in the figure that water is sprayed over the polypack or spawn packet to keep the humidity at 70 to 80%, or and also to maintain the temperature up to 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Spraying water over the packets 2 to 3 times in winter and 4 to 5 times in summer to maintain humidity at 70 to 80% around the spawn packet. Spraying should be done keeping a sprayer nozzle about 1 feet above the packet. Pruning extra embryos. After spraying, from the cut area, a lot of embryos develop. The germination mushroom seeds will initiate, producing a pin-like embryos within 2 to 3 days if care is taken properly. From the cut area, after 2 to 3 days, a lot of pin-like embryos develop. Then from a lot of embryos, we have to remove some unnecessary embryos to let the remaining embryos grow bigger. The small embryos should be pruned, keeping 8 to 12 big embryos at both sides. Then harvesting. After 5 to 7 days, mushroom may be harvested within a period of 5 to 7 days. Then how can we harvest? Softly pulled by hand or harvest at the stage when it becomes sufficient large, but the stalk and vein do not seem loose. After 7 days, we understand whether it is mature or not by touching the uh, stalk of the embryo, and if we softly press on the body of the mushroom by our finger, we can understand that if it is not become not loose or not so soft, then we can understand that it is ready to harvest. Reproduce from harvested packet. The harvested packet should be kept 1 day at rest. After first time harvest, then the packet should be kept 1 day for rest. No spray is done in this day. The cut side of the mushroom again should be scratched with a blade. Next day followed by spraying. After next day, 1 day rest. After next day, we again spray water. Mushroom may be harvested 8 to 10 times from each packet. Marketing, we can send it to the market, cutting from packets and grading. After harvesting, we should grade or uh, categorize the mushroom according to their quality, size, or other things. Grading, putting in airtight polythene bag, sent to be marketed. Mushroom preservation. We can preserve mushroom 2 to 3 days in a cool dry place, or up to 7 days in a refrigerator. Mushroom was found to remain good 7 to 8 days in freeze or refrigerator. And if there is excess production, we can dry it like a dry fish or some other thing. We dry in the open sunlight, and we can make it powder or very smaller in size and keep it in airtight container. This is also maybe kept for at least 6 months. Production, about 200 to 250 grams of mushroom may be harvested from one packet. I think this is all. If you have any question, from one packet we can